It is time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts, Sherry Bussey and Sam. Presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sam, alongside Sherry Bussey, owner of Emerald City Jewelers. Good morning, Sherry.
Good morning, Sam.
New Year. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year to you.
2020. And I know we just finished the holidays, but before you know it, a very big holiday is coming up. Valentine's Day. That's such a big holiday. If you think Christmas would be big, it's actually Valentine's Day. Now's the time to order your stuff.
Well, now's the time to plan ahead. It's funny you would think of that. I mean, a lot of people aren't thinking that far ahead, but Valentine's Day is a very touching time. We have Valentine's Day this year is on a Friday. So if you think that you want to do a proposal for Valentine's Day, maybe you got a kick in the shin at Christmas because you didn't get engaged. We're here for that. If you decide you want to give a birthday gift, or if you have an anniversary in January, we've got a nice selection of colored stones to choose from. We have interesting colored stones that you may not typically think of as a January birthstone, but the January birthstone is garnet, and it does come in every color. I used to say every color but blue, but now they found a blue garnet. So,
of course they did.
Yeah, of course they did. It's a nice durable stone. It can be cabochon, which is a smooth top, rounded top, or it can be faceted. The orange and reds and greens are really, really popular. The greens especially. The new green find is called Sapphire. It's from the Savo province of Africa, and so that's where they found it. And it's just the most beautiful, intense green that you've ever seen, and not highly included like emeralds. Like emeralds have a lot of crystal structure that shows, but the green Savarites don't. And they're nice and durable. So it's a good alternative for somebody who likes a green stone and their birthday is in January. Yes. It's really pretty when you pair it with a sapphire. The green and blue together is a beautiful combination.
So to see those stones, maybe start looking for a Valentine's Day present or design. You guys do all your designing. Where can people go and what are your hours? Where can they find you?
Well, we are open Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5:30, and Saturdays from 9:30 to 3. And we're located at the corner of 33rd and Broadway under the emerald green roof across from the main entrance of the Quincy Mall.
All right, time's ticking, guys. Valentine's Day is going to be here before you know it.
You betcha.
All right, thanks, Sherry.
Thank you, Sam.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday at 7:25 a.m. for another exciting edition. That's Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.